CPA students, this is how you access Scott's directory from the library website. So just Google Durham College Library, and first hit or so should be the library. So click on it. Going to take you to it this way. Go to the research guides. This is how we did it in class. Scroll down to business, and you want to look in the company and industry research. This is what we used for Business Source Premier as well, okay? So we want to pick the company directories, and the very first one should be Scott's directory. Then you're going to log in with your 100 number and your password that you use for the network for campus. Click login, except I've updated my password, and you should get in.